Today's video I will show how you can fix your iPad and you forgot the passcode, Apple ID or password. It does not matter. Okay, and today I will show how you can recover this type of problem. Let's start. At first, turn off the power, press and hold the power button and press it, and you need to enter the recover mode. After turn off, and you just press the home button and connect to computer. Restore and update. You will see this, and here is downloading your file. Okay, it will take some time. This file size is 1.34 GB. Okay, it will take 6 minutes. After downloading, your iPad will be restarted. And you can see in this line it's working. Okay, press continue. Welcome a new iPad, get start, and it will sync your data. Here is some basic information. You just input here. Okay, only this setting language, disable the location service. I do not need this. Okay, and you can, here is a set your passcode, new passcode 1234, use code 1234. Okay, if you don't have the Apple ID or password, I don't have or forget, press this here. Setup later in setting, agree, I don't send, get start. Okay, your work is done. Turn off it, turn on. 1 2 3 4. Okay viewers, thanks for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe our channel.